What's up, guys? It's Sunday. I'm Mike. That's Rob. That's Clayton. We are the SPP, and we're going cruising. And you guys are coming along because Clayton brought the Mustang out. I feel that's worthy of recording tonight's cruising.
Different than any other Sunday.
Yeah, but it's been a year or two or something like that, and it should be good. Of course, the Nova will be out as well. Rob will be cruising that, and we're gonna have a good time.
Yeah. Have a Sunday maybe on Sunday.
That's what it does, then whatever. I can't figure out how to make it work otherwise, so.
We're having some clicking problems with the vehicles, just like the shit horse. Seems to be our thing.
How many of these, eh?
Fuck it. Yeah, probably.
I lost
I
one.
might have some. You mean you're missing one right now?
Race car stuff, guys.
Well, I mean, I got enough. It's not gonna fucking go anywhere. It's the other hood.
At a
It's
race
thicker
car
there,
like
right?
this. Yeah.
So it's nice and tight. But when I put the street hood on, it's loose, and sometimes I see them fly up the fucking hood on the highway. Oh my God. These front ones, they won't let her go nowhere. Unless I go into a 180-degree spin.
Rip your butthole off. I still hate that thing. I don't know.
What's that?
Yes!
We just gotta lift your arse over.
Oh, it's just a terrible idea.
No click!
It's actually not too bad for getting in this way.
This car. Well, if you're little.
No, the door bar, it's nice and low there. I think mine might be higher. It's like a aircraft in here, guys.
Yeah, it needs some cleaning up. This is the oh shit handle.
Clayton was supposed to be racing this thing in our no prep series just 2 weeks ago. That got rained out, so he had to siphon some race gas out of the thing. Now we got to fill her up with good old 94 if we want to have any chance of getting into some booski tonight.
Yeah, we're going to get into the boost.
My car? Yeah, I've raced it. Oh, against him? Yeah. Yeah, we race other Italy all the time. That car's been 850 at 169 miles an hour. This one with the old motor that it used to have went 913 at 147.
Some little kid is asking Rob some questions. Great to see young ones interested in racing.
Bringing new life into the sport.
This thing's actually really good on gas since I put the LS in, but I like to put in 20 bucks just to keep her topped up. All right, let's go cruising. Fake cops, what you gonna do?
Bunch of fake cops there.
You're a big crowd of them yet. I took some fuel out of the idle, and before when I took fuel out of the idle, it wanted to surge. So, but now when I take my foot off the gas, it goes like 15, 16, which is good. That it's idling lean.
Yeah.
Well, there's the Monte Carlo cover one.
Great for keeping your legs warm.
Leg warmer.
I'll tell you that.
Don't touch the bottom one.
And if there's ever a boost leak right here beside my knee, I'll probably be able to tell him about it.
got it painted. The original color is actually this orange. I got it painted orange, and it was a different color, but whatever. And then I don't know, about 10 years ago, I stripped it to bare metal and totally redid everything and painted it. This engine's only been in here since last year. This is cruise night in Winnipeg. It's usually pretty good when the weather's good. There's usually lots of cars out, and it's a beautiful night tonight. Just so long as some guys don't ruin it, like this guy, or possibly this guy right here doing this slow roll by.
How much tuners these days are utilizing the what's that, deceleration fuel to make all the pops. That's like a part of every tune now. What do you guys think about the pops? Post down in the comments. Do we got pop fans here?
Like blue car pops?
Yeah, I mean we could tune any of these cars to pop really, but I don't know. I think it's just kind of annoying myself.
It's not that big. I mean, it's a mid-frame or whatever.
88. Calling car ramrod, come in. Is the SPP Sucks proprietor, so just in case you wanted to know.
Hey, do you rev it like that to keep it from stalling, or?
No, just to scare you.
Where's all that smoke from? Smells like unburnt fuel.
Should be, I don't know.
One of those carburetor things on there?
Oh, really? Wow.
See, you used to be able to buy it from Ford, but then they stopped making it. They
Okay.
sold all their stock to, I believe, Done Right.
Okay. All right.
Damn near click free all night.
Yeah, a couple clicks only.
Smell you later.
Oh, I forgot to give him a sticker. He took his SPP sticker off. He wants to quit. He said,
Oh.
said it was on crooked or something.
Something about being in the back seat, a comfortable back seat of a car that is this quick is pretty cool to me. I don't know, guys. Streetcar goals. Gonna be about it for this one. Went for cruising Clayton's car. Went for a little bit in the Nova there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I don't got much more to say. So, got anything to say, Rob?
No, just check you later.
And like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that normal stuff. But yeah, make sure to check out all our other videos for tons more cool stuff like this. Building cars, not just cruising them and whatnot. But yeah, check you later.